Let f is from closed 0 to 1 to closed 0 to infinity be a real valued continuous function such that ft square is less than equals to 1 plus 2 times integration from 0 to tfu du. For all t belongs to closed 0 to 1 closed, then prove that number 1. Integration from 0 to half fu du is less than equals to 5 by 8. And number 2. F of half is less than equals to 3 by 2.
Hello students. Pause the video right here and try the problem by your own. Don't take more than 3 minutes to solve the problem.
Let capital FT is integration 0 to t fu du. So from here we are getting, if I differentiate both sides with respect to t, capital F dash t equals to ft. Is it clear? Now from the definition of the function, it has been said that for all t belongs to 0 to 1, ft is always greater than equals to 0. So that implies capital F dash t is greater than equals to 0 implies ft is an increasing function. Since capital Ft is an increasing function, so we can say for t is greater than equals to 0, capital Ft is greater than equals to capital F0, right? Now capital F0 is nothing but 0 implies capital Ft is greater than equals to 0. Is it clear to all of you? Now from the given condition, Ft square is less than equals to 1 plus 2 times capital Ft. So that implies since capital Ft is greater than equals to 0, therefore 1 plus 2 times capital Ft is greater than equals to 1. Therefore, we are dividing both sides with under root 1 plus 2 capital Ft we get. Small ft can be replaced by capital F dash t. Now integrating both sides with respect to t, from 0 to t we get now from the basic integration formula we know that dx by root x is nothing but 2 times root x, right? That implies is it clear? Now you see I have not written 2 over here because these 2 will get nullified with the 2 which will come in the denominator after integration, right? So that implies since capital F0 is 0, so we get, is it clear to all of you? So capital Ft is less than equals to t square by 2 plus t. So we can write, now in place of t I am putting half. We are getting, so that implies, okay, so the first part is proved. Okay, now let me rub the upper portion. Now we have small ft is less than equals to under root 1 plus 2 times capital Ft. So f of half is it clear? Now we have already proved that capital F of half is less than equals to 5 by 8. So from there we can write f half is less than, since capital F half is less than equals to 5 by 8. So under root 1 plus 2 times capital F of half will be less than equals to under root. That gives you 3 by 2. Therefore, the second part is also proved, that f of half is less than equals to 3 by 2. Is it clear to all of you? Okay.